Hi there, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Caitlin, Sallie Tomato's social media specialist. Today we will open up day 9 of our Advent box for 2024. Day 9, designed to add a touch of timeless elegance to any outfit. Use hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media when you create this item. I just unwrapped our hair bow accessories free pattern, and you will also receive a hair tie and an 1/8 yard of fabric. I truly love this project and I'm so excited to share it with you. Large floppy hair bows are everywhere, and this popular accessory is great for all ages and hairstyles. To fit in with the holiday season, we have included a beautiful piece of fabric to fit your holiday attire. This quick sew project doesn't require a lot of fabric, which makes it super fun to customize to any outfit or scrap of fabric you would like. We look forward to seeing how you make and style your hair bow. I hope you enjoyed today's item. I can't wait to create one myself and style it for the holiday season. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for tomorrow's unboxing of day 10. Thanks for watching.